if you want to measure your sleep on the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, on your Android phone, just download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Google Play Store, then pair your Android phone with your Galaxy Fit 3. After you do that, then go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. In the Google Play Store, just search this. Then install this app on your phone. After you do that, then tap on Open. While setting up the Samsung Health app, just remember to use the same Samsung account which you used while setting up the Galaxy Wearable app. Otherwise, you will not be able to sync the data between the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Galaxy Health app. Now, after you do that, on your Galaxy Fit 3, just open the app drawer, and from here, just tap on Health. Now just scroll down and tap on Sleep. After you do that, then tap on Advanced on your band. But before you do that, on your Android phone, just go to your home screen and open the Galaxy Wearable app. Now just tap on Advanced one more time, and it will open this page. And from here, just enable the features you want to track while you're sleeping. Like if you want to track your blood oxygen level, and if you want to enable snore detection, you can do it from here. And also you can enable sleep time estimates. Now after you have enabled these features, then go back on your Galaxy Fit 3. Now let's tap on Health, and from here just go to Sleep. Now this time just tap on Show on Phone. And once you do that, you will find all your sleep data on your Android phone. Now if it is your first time using this app, you will not find any data over here. Now to measure your sleep, just wear your Galaxy Fit 3 to bed and it will automatically track your sleep. And when you wake up and open the Galaxy Health app, just go to the sleep section, which is here. Over here, you will find all your sleep data. And this is how you can measure your sleep on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.